We're at Think Diversification, a special investment-focused event organized by Thinking North, and we are joined by the founder, Steve Singh. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So why Think Diversification? We've seen themes like esports and cannabis in the past. Why the emphasis on diversification?
Okay, the market moves in trends, and some sectors are hot, some sectors are cold, then it switches and some other sectors become hot, some become cold. So what this event is about is to educate investors to take advantage of the different trends and not to get caught sometimes overbalanced in one sector. So the theme is diversification, and diversification in today's environment could be in cannabis, technology, and now today, for example, I see that gold is trending up. It almost touched $1,400 today, so you might want to also look at putting some money into resource stocks.
We're getting pretty mixed signals from across the border down south. The Fed is hinting at a monetary easing. There are some experts hinting at a possible recession 12 months down the line. In that respect, is that why diversification is that more important today?
Yeah, diversification is very important. So for example, because of the debt ceiling, because of the quantitative easing, you do want to have some aspect of investment in resource stocks, because when things hit the fan, people turn to gold. Technology becomes less of a focus. Cannabis becomes less of a focus. So the key is to make sure that you've got your feet and hands in all the different sectors.
Yeah. So while curating this event, what kind of companies have you chosen to showcase?
So today we have one cannabis company. It's a vertically integrated business model. They're in the Caribbean, they're in different parts of the world. They're focused on extract, they're focused on grow, they're focused on offtake agreements, distribution. Another company, that company, by the way, the cannabis company is called Anahit. The second company is called Visibility. Visibility is all about digital signage to attract consumers, but it also has a technology angle because of smartphone technology and cameras, where there's a cybersecurity element to the technology. Another company presenting is called SideDrawer, and SideDrawer is basically all your important documents, from your wills to your passports, to any important type of document, financial or otherwise. You can take a picture of it, and it stores that in a very specific app format.
That's so clever.
Very clever. And also you can assign usage to different family members or whatever. So in the event that there's an emergency, you're incapacitated or you die, somebody else can access that information. And the key sponsor today is a company called Bay Talent Group. Bay Talent Group is a HR recruitment company that's going public shortly. So they're here to pitch their story. They are a roll-up model, so they're aggregating and acquiring companies, building a very, very fat top-line revenue model. But there's something unique about their model. They're also adding technology to it. So that's going to be a great story as it unfolds.
Okay. And just tell us a bit about Thinking North. You describe the company as a Canadian brain trust. What do you mean by that?
Okay, so Thinking North is a conglomerate of different people in the financial sector. Our panelists have a very wide range of talent, whether it be in technology, cannabis, or otherwise. A lot of them have been immersed in the investment space for many years, so hence the brain trust. Also, our group, our immediate team, consists of people that have been in the investment industry for many years.
Wonderful. And what can our viewers expect from today's event?
They can expect to hear why it's important to diversify your investment portfolio, and they can also hear about some very interesting companies.
Amazing. Steve Singh, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.